Rybachy Peninsula is the northernmost part of continental European Russia. Its name is translated as Fisher Peninsula. It is connected with the Sredny Peninsula, Middle Peninsula, by a thin isthmus. So the peninsula is in fact nearly completely surrounded by water. Administratively, it is included into Pechengsky district of Murmansk Oblast and is within several hours of ride from Murmansk. Main occupations of the population are reindeer herding and petroleum drilling. History: the peninsula lies in an area where borders were marked relatively late. The Norwegian-Russian border was drawn in 1826, leaving Rybachy on the Russian side of the border. At the time, several Norwegian settlers lived on the peninsula. After the Russian Revolution, the western parts of Sredny and Rybachy were ceded to Finland. After the Winter War of 1939–1940, Finland ceded them to the Soviet Union by the Moscow Peace Treaty. The Norwegian settlers became trapped in Soviet Russia after the revolution. Some of the descendants were allowed Norwegian citizenship after the fall of the Iron Curtain. During the World War II, for 3 years it was an arena of a positional war between Germans and Soviets. The peninsula covered the access to Murmansk and Arkhangelsk, which were the main gates from the Lend-Lease. The front split the peninsula in two parts, both sides having heavily fortified positions. Before the dissolution of the Soviet Union, the territory was heavily militarized because of the immediate vicinity of Norway, a NATO member. Now the military is removed, but as of 2005 the territory is still closed to foreigners.